Hi guys, today I will be comparing in between Roo Code and Aider, which is better in 2025. Let's see, make sure to watch till the end. Aider is a command line based AI pair programmer built for speed and precision. It works directly with your Git tracked codebase, making it easy to handle even large projects. Aider supports voice-to-code features, automatic linting and testing, and a wide range of languages. It's lightweight, fast and perfect for developers who love working inside the terminal and value a clean, efficient workflow. Meanwhile, Roo Code offers a more dynamic, editor-integrated experience. With modes like Code, Architect, Ask, and Debug, Roo Code is all about flexibility. It doesn't just help you write code, it can automate browser tasks, manage terminal commands, and customize interactions with multiple AI models. It's designed for developers who want a deeper, more personalized coding assistant inside their environment. Both tools are free and open source, but the best choice depends on how you like to work. If you want minimalism and control, Aider is a great pick. If you want versatility and richer automation, Roo Code stands out.